Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start poem number 2 from the book Beehive. The name of the poem is Wind, which is written by Subramania Bharti. Okay, let's do the poem. Okay, wind. Let's start the poem. Wind. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friend with it? Like here, the poem Wind is about our obstacles. हमारे जो बीच में बहुत सारी मुश्किल्स आती हैं, ठीक है. वी फेसेस मैनी डिफिकल्टीज इन अवर लाइफ, बट हाउ टू कम विथ इट, that is very important. So here a word wind is given, but here it's a comparison between the wind and our life. So wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did, you threw them all down. What the poet is saying, the poet Subramanian Bharti is saying that wind comes softly, come in a soft way, don't break the shutters of the windows. Windows के shutter please मत तोड़ना. Don't scatter the papers, please don't blow up the papers everywhere. Don't throw the books down from the shelf, please do not throw the book from the shelf. If the wind comes strongly, then what will happen? Every will blew away, ठीक है, blow away. Then after there, look what you did, ये देखो तुमने क्या किया. You threw all them down, everything you have thrown down. You tore the pages of the books, you have torn out the pages of our books. You brought rain again, see what you have brought, you have brought the rain again. Now you are very clear at poking fun at weaklings. You are knowing that how to spoil the fun of a people who are very weak. Now here let me explain you how it compares to our life. You know students, the people who are weak, they flew away with the wind as the way the wind wants them to flew, ठीक है. जैसे कि example, I am a weak person and I have many difficulties in the life, but I can't take away all these difficulties, ठीक है. मैं सारे difficulties ले नहीं सकता हूँ, and just because of this I feel nostalgic, I feel so emotion and all these things comes in my mind, और मैं टूट जाऊंगा, ठीक है. So in this way, this wind, if there is a strong, if you are a strong person, if you are a strong personality, nothing will make you down. Not a single difficulty in your life you will be facing a problem. So this first stanza is for that. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, you have crumble, पूरा कचुम्बर बना दिया है तुमने, ठीक है. हाउसेस का, डोर्स का, rafters. What do you mean by rafters students? Rafter means a beam, ठीक है. There is a beam in our house, that is they are known as rafters. So तुमने rafters को पूरा कचुम्बर बना दिया है. Crumbling wood, crumbling bodies and crumbling lives. You have taken out everything. The wind, you have taken out everything. The houses, lives of the people, bodies, everything you have taken away with you. And the crumbling hearts also, लोगों के दिल, ठीक है. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come let's build strong homes. Yes, हमारी लाइफ के जो डिफिकल्टीज हैं, they are telling us to do whatever they want, but if we will be strong, no one can do anything in our life, not a single difficulty will break us down. हमारा ब्रेक डाउन हो ही नहीं सकता है जब तक हम अपना हार्ट, हमारा दिल मजबूत ना रखें तब तक. इफ यू आर अ वीक पर्सन, then definitely you will break down very rapidly. But if you are a good person and you are strong, then no one can breaks you down easily. So here what poet wants to say, that he wants to say that ki let make a strong homes, let make our strong heart so that no one can break it out. ठीक है. Let's join the doors firmly, practice to form the body. Let's keep our door मजबूत रखने हैं, हमारे दरवाजे बंद करके रखने हैं, so that not a single difficulty will come in our life, in our house. Then after, make the heart steadfast. It means to you keep your heart मजबूत, जिसको बोलते हैं ना strong, steadfast, that no one can easily break it out. Do this and the wind will be a friend with us. If you will do like this, the wind will be your friend. Means the difficulties of your life will remove out and they will be your friends. ठीक है. The wind blows out weak fires. Wind हमेशा उसको ही असर करती है those who are those they are weak. ठीक है, उनको ही असर करेगी जो वीक होंगे. It won't affect the people who are strong, who can fight strongly, who can't give up easily. ठीक है. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. Wind जो है वो क्या करती है, what the wind does, जो strong होते हैं उनको और ज़्यादा मजबूत बनाती है. ठीक है. It makes a roar, a शेर वाला sound. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. If we are strong, and then we will praise the friendship of our difficulties, because they are our friends. Difficulties will come and go, but we can't let them affect our life, our heart, our emotions, because emotions is the thing that the God has given to us, which we can share with everyone. So do not break your emotions down, do not break yourself, because as you are the strong, no one can affect you the way they want. So this poem is about the wind, how this poem is affected, how this poem is compared with our lives and the difficulties of our lives. जब आती है तब हमारी difficulties आंधी तूफान की तरह आती है, as we can say. It's come with the wind and storm. But we are here to face all the difficulties of the life without any crying, without any emotions breakdown. ठीक है. And this is written by the Subramanian Bharti, and this is translated from the poem from the Tamil language, and it is written by A.K. Ramanujan. ठीक है. Subramanian Bharti is born on 1882 till 1921. ठीक है. He died on 1921. He is a great Tamil poet, famous for his patriotisms in the pre-independence era. When there was we were not independent at that time, he was writing about the patriotisms. It means देश भक्ति के बारे में सारी poems and all he was writing. Then after next we have A.K. Ramanujan. What he was writing, he is an Kannada and English poet, well known for his translation of classical and modern poetry. He translates the modern poetries, ठीक है, and classical poetries. So this poem is translated from the Tamil language. ठीक है. It is very easy, and the poem is, I told you, it gives motives, it gives some passion in our life to bring out the things out and do not break down easily. ठीक है. I hope you all have understood this poem very carefully. This poem brings a positive thinking in your mind. So take this poem as a achievement, as a good thing in your life as well. ठीक है. Wind and question answers we will do in I will send the PDF of question answers of this chapter. You just write it down in your book. ठीक है? I hope you all have understood this poem very carefully. In our next lecture we will come with the next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye.